We're here in Cologne. We're going into Cologne Cathedral. This is the most famous building in Cologne. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. It's very impressive. This is the crypt. It's the type of place you'd find a clue in a Dan Brown novel. What's in here? Oh, a shop. These are Bible stories done with chalk. That's really cool. Wow, look at that. That's like a tomb but with castles. Look how lovely it is when the light comes through the stained glass. It's so nice. Look at the size of the organ. Dennis, did you know that this is the third tallest religious building in the whole world?
No, I didn't.
You didn't. I'd say Christmas Eve Mass is lovely in here. Look how pretty I look with the stained glass on me. That was really lovely. As far as cathedrals go, I would say that's one of my favourites. Definitely in the top 5. Did you like the cathedral?
I did. It's very ornate.
I'm not sure if I told you, but it's the third highest religious building in the world.
You did tell me already.
There's people in the tower, Dennis. And I'd say there's a great view because it's the third tallest religious building in the world. This is the market square. This is where all the Christmas markets are going to be soon. We missed them by a few weeks, but yeah, it's nice. Did you decide where we're going to eat? In there. We're going on the boat tour now, on the Rhine. Do you want to give us a guided tour of Cologne?
This is Cologne.
Auf dem Rhein. Erleben Sie Köln von seiner Schokoladenseite.
The Chocolate Museum and in Rodenkirchen.
Der Name am Rhein wurde die Stadt ein wichtiger Handelsplatz und hatte im 13. Jahrhundert.
It's nice and relaxing now.
The Severance Bridge spans the Rhine over a length.
Hello, will I wave? Oh, the wave back! Yay!
You're missing this now, Colin. Or U-turn.
What'll be on that now? Is it just rubbish?
It says gas, Colin.
Ah, gas. Just gonna keep waving, you gonna say anything?
No. That's what we should do. Get everybody up off their chairs and do rock the boat.
I'm sure they'd love that. Don't rock the boat. It's a very nice city. That's the medieval tower they told us about. These are the crane buildings. This is the Chocolate Museum. We're going there in a few days. Wave, wave at me. Wave. Hey! She's locked. That's lovely, isn't it? Our hotel is behind there.
Right in front of you, the most prominent bridge in Cologne.
Now, I thoroughly enjoyed the panoramic tour of Cologne on the Rhine, or whatever it was called. That was really good fun. It was very relaxing. Did you enjoy the panoramic tour of the Rhine
I did.
or something?
I thoroughly enjoyed it. Thoroughly.
There's about 14 of them on that one. Jump through the pond. It's like Takeshi's Castle. This is a nice riverfront park. This is the Hohenzollern bridge where people put locks to declare their love. The whole bridge has locks all the way along. That's crazy. People got them engraved. Michael, I love you, Christine, Selena and Henrietta. It's crazy. There's locks on locks. Look, Carol's 90th birthday. Happy 90th birthday, Carol, if you're watching. These ones went to an awful lot of effort. They're all the way along here as well. There's just so many locks. I was going to say to Dennis we should get a lock and do that, but I turned around and he wasn't even behind me. He didn't even come to the bridge. The cathedral is nice from this side. Oh, it just looks really nice, Dennis. I'm not sure if I told you, but it's the third tallest religious building in the world. There's a lovely fountain there. Oh, hold on, you've got a story.
Oh, yeah, the gnomes used to come out at night time and build stuff. And then the woman there came out one night and she saw something like that, and then they stopped coming out. You can put that in YouTube. I can't remember what it was. It's something like that.
It's like the elves and the shoemaker.
Yeah.
Or you could just read the inscription over here. That's not music. What? It's shite. I'd almost give them money to stop making that noise. I'm definitely going to try Frankie's churros at some stage. Why is there a shop called Christ? It's a jeweller's. It doesn't even do religious artifacts. It's lovely at night time, isn't it? This woman is locked. She's been taken away by the police. So we're on a brewery tour. There's a man called Emery who's guiding us around. He seems like a nice chap. But he's going to bring us to different breweries, so this should be fun.
The brewery house of food is the anthem of the city of Cologne. It's the most famous.
So we're in a traditional German brew house. This is the most famous one in the city. Was the beer nice? I just had a Coke. Exactly what I thought a German brew house was going to be like. Do you want to give a ranking out of 10 to that beer?
8.5.
They've got quite a big operation here, look. And they've outdoor seating too. They've also got a merchandise shop, which is pretty cool. It's a lovely night for a brewery tour of Cologne. Are you enjoying the tour?
I am. It's very informative. A bit of history, with a few drinks. Can't go wrong.
Right, this is our next brew house.
I like that one.
I liked it there, it was nice. What did you give that beer out of 10?
9.
Oh,
Yeah, ran up on a little pint. 0.5.
are you just getting drunker?
No, that was actually not nice. It was a lot sweeter.
Who are these men?
we are saying it doesn't matter where you come from, everybody can get a friend of everybody. Something about this place here. This is the
It's nice.
That was the one that felt most like an Irish pub. What do you give that final beer out of 10?
10.
Oh, was your favourite, was it?
It was.
This seems to be where all the nightlife is. Dennis, where did the man say you should go?
He was standing outside a tiki bar.
Is that like a tiki bar?
Yeah.
Very loud. Those people know Angela Merkel.
I hope she's up here.
Well, it's nice to know they've got drunken idiots everywhere. There's a turtle and a snake. We were going to see St. Martin's Church, but it's closed today. This is where Johann Maria Farina invented Cologne in 1709. It says on the sign up there. Do you want to try some? It smells lovely. Do you want to try some? This must be Johann Farina. It's a lovely wig. That's lovely. That's really nice. It's very expensive though. So that's all from Cologne. Really nice city. So much to do. Did you enjoy it?
I did. Really enjoyed it.